Section 4.4, factoring trinomials. X squared plus bx plus c. Now, from the books, you can find the part that say, you can find in my note as well. Instruction to factor x squared plus bx plus c. First, arrange in descending order. All these terms already in descending order, right? In the order the power is decreasing. This is powers second, right? Second power, first power, zero power. So it's in descending order already. So you don't have to do anything. We're done with number one. Number two, use a trial and error procedure that looks for factors of c whose sum is b. So we look for factors. So that means something times something times something, okay? That means the factor of c. What is c? C is the constant term, which is 8. So we look for constant. We look for factors of a. So let's see. Let's see. I make sure I spell the way vocab. This is factors, okay? Of c. And c, which is 8, right? 1 times 8, 2 times 4. That's all. There's only 2 factors forms for 8, okay? And then if c is positive, then the size of the factor are the same as the size of b. The size of c, which is 8 right here, is positive, right? 8 is positive. So you know that the factor you're looking for, either 1/8 or 2/4. The pair of factor, okay? Either 1/8 or 2/4 will have the sign similar to the sign of b, which is 9 right here, sign of b, okay? Positive. So that means you know the factor, either this form or this form, 2 and 4 will be positive, 1 and 8 will be positive, okay? Because the sign of b, which is sign of 9 right here, is positive. If c is negative, but this case not negative, okay? I'm not going to mention, but you can read that part. Alright. Now, in your book, they call sum of factors, okay? Sum of factors. Okay. Now, we found the factor of 8, which is 1 times 8 or 2 times 4. Sum of factors. You need to find the sum of either this 1 plus 8 or 2 plus 4, so that you would get b, okay? Sum of factor. So let's say 1 plus 8 is what? 9. How about 2 plus 4 is 6. Okay. All right. Now this is factor of 8, and you know 8, right? 8 is c, okay? Let me see if I can make it look better. Factor of a, which is c, right? C is 8. This is sum of factors, okay? Now, you want the sum to be equal to b. Right here, okay? Factor of c is right here, which is 8, right? 1 times 8 or 2 times 4. Find all the factors of c that you can find. For 8, there's only 2 types. And sum of factors, and you want the sum, okay? This, you can treat it as periods of this, okay? Sum of factors, okay? You find the sum of this factor, 1 plus 8 or 2 plus 4, okay? But the goal is that the sum has to equal to b, which is 9, okay? Now, I know that it got to be 1 plus 8 or 2 plus 4, okay? That means the side of 2, the side of 4, the side of 1, the side of 8 is positive because of the condition that say, if c is positive, which is 8 is positive, then the side of the factor means 1a, 2, 4, side of factor are the same as the size of b, and size of b, what is b? B is 9, right? Size b is positive. That means each factor you found right here, 1a, 2, 4, they're all going to be positive. Alright. Now, you have 2 cases, right, for the sum. So which one is that? which one add up that you would get a B. B is here, right? This one, right? The first one, 1 plus A is 9. So that means this is the factor, okay? 1A is the correct factor. So this is how you would write x squared plus 9x plus A. When you factor, it will equal to, remember this? X, okay. The factor 1, positive, right? Plus 1. 8 positive plus 8. Okay? So this is how you factor this trinomial, x squared plus 9x plus a. Find the factor of c's, all the possible factors you can, and you know that 1a, 2, 4 are positive number because the side of c, which is a, is positive. Because side of c is positive, that means the factor you get will have the same side as b, okay? And side b in this case positive. That's why 1a, 2, 4 are all positive factors. And then after that, you take the sum of each factor case you found. 1 plus a is 9, 2 plus 4 is 6. And which k is that add up to make the sum equal to b, okay, which is 9. It turns out to be this k, 1 plus a. Knowing that, you know that 1/8 is the true factor of this trinomials. True factors for factoring this trinomial. So we'll have x plus 1, okay, times x plus 8.